Have you ever wondered how to manage and monitor Docker containers like a real DevOps expert? Do you want to know how to create, run, stop, restart, delete containers, and also monitor CPU, RAM, and network usage in real time? Hi everyone, this is Phuong. In this video, we will learn how to manage the life cycle of Docker containers, including Ubuntu and Nginx, just like when you operate a real system in an enterprise. Okay, let's go. First of all, we will check whether the system already has the Ubuntu image. Open the terminal and run the command docker image ls. If you don't see the Ubuntu image in the list, download it using the command sudo docker pu ubuntu latest. Enter. This command will download the latest Ubuntu image from Docker Hub to the server. After it's done, you can check again. Okay, you will see Ubuntu latest displayed in the list, meaning the image is ready to use. Okay. Now we will create the first Ubuntu container with port mapping from 80 80 on the host on port 80 inside the container, running the following command docker run it dp 80 80 80 name my Ubuntu container Ubuntu. Right then. Enter. Okay. Now check the running container. Docker container ls. You will see the container my Ubuntu container with status up, meaning it has successfully started. Okay. So when you want to stop the container, use Docker container stop my Ubuntu container. Enter. Okay. And check the container status again. Okay. You will now see that the container shows status exited. Okay, meaning it has stopped. Choose restart the container. Docker container start. My Ubuntu container restart. Okay, check again. Okay, and now you will see status up, meaning the container is running again. If you want to delete the container, stop it first, then delete it. M, enter. Okay, now we will run the NZI and H container to simulate a real web application. Run with option D, name NZINH container with option P, at T, at NZINH rated. Enter. Okay, this command will run NZINH in the background. Assign the container name NZINH container and map port 80 80 on the host to port 80 inside the container. Okay, check the running container Docker container ls. Okay, to view detailed information about the NZIH container, run Docker is pipe NZINH container. Enter. Okay. Okay. Clear. If you only want to view the container status, Docker is pipe format equal state status NZINH container. Enter. Okay. The output will return running if the container is active. Okay, to view container logs, very useful when debugging. Docker logs Nginx container, enter. Okay, you can view detailed logs, including the version of Nginx running. To monitor real-time performance of all containers, including CPU, memory, network, disk, I/O, Docker, stats, okay, or monitor a specific container. Docker dash Nginx container. Okay, press Control and C to exit monitoring. Okay, Docker image ls. Additionally, if you no longer want to use the customized image Nginx app, you can remove it with the command docker image rm Nginx app. Enter. Okay. Okay. We have just practiced full Docker container management skills in a real world environment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment the Docker or DevOps topic you want me to cover in the next video. I read every comment and will choose the most practical and hands-on topics to share with you. This film, my mission is to help you master technology faster, more effectively, and more practically. See you in the next video where we continue leveling up your Docker skills. Okay?